Good day. My name is Sam. I'm doing my solo program for my Python module. Um, I'm doing the chapter 6 today. And the first exercise in our chapter 6 is the alien.py. So we are in this code, we are trying to demonstrate how Python dictionary works. And in this code, we're trying to access and use the values stored in a dictionary. So we create a dictionary called naming a variable dictionary called alien underscore zero, and it's created with two key value pairs, which is color, which is green, and the point, which is 5. And we try to print the first two statements here, which is the color and point with the print alien underscore zero and color. And then we store the new point value 5, which is 5, in a new variable called new point. So in short, the code above retrieves specific value from a dictionary and uses them in a message, and it shows how to access dictionary data and use it in our programming. And the next exercise in our in our chapter 6, here also we're trying to demonstrate how to add new key value pairs to our dictionary. Remember, we first created our dictionary alien underscore zero with two key value pairs, which is color green and the point 5. So the first print statement displays the original dictionary, which is print original dictionary in new line. The /n means to put the message in a new line. So in the code above, we just try to demonstrate how to start with a basic dictionary and then add new information to it as we go on writing our code. And in our next example, we are trying to demonstrate how to create an empty dictionary and add key pair values to it. First, we create the alien underscore zero variable, which is empty because there's nothing in the list. So the two key value we are adding one by one. We added color, which is equals to green, and we added point, which is equals to 5. So when we print alien underscore zero, it gives us these two key values. So the next one, we are modifying values in dictionary. So this example, we are trying to modify the value of an existing key in a dictionary. So in our same dictionary variable alien underscore zero, we only put one key value, which is color green. And then we print the dictionary with the value. And the next example, the alien underscore zero, which is color yellow. Now we change the key value here, the color, we change it to yellow. So now when we try to print the new dictionary statement, it says the color is changed from yellow to green in this line of code, because we've changed the color to yellow. So our next example, we demonstrate how to access a value from the dictionary. So we used 3 key value elements in our dictionary this time. The alien underscore zero has 3 key value elements here. So when we print with the format method, the alien underscore zero and x position, it now prints the statement and it accesses the value associated with the key position, with the S position in our dictionary. So the S position here is 0. So when we say print format method original position, alien underscore 0 x position, we are saying it should print the original position, which is 0. And that is what it did here. You see my summary written below. So next one, we're trying to move the alien according to speed. This code demonstrates how to use a dictionary value to determine a variable. Here we first check the value of the speed, and based on the speed, it assigns a different value to a variable, which is s increment. If the speed is slow, it assigns a different value to the variable, and if it's medium, it assigns a different value to the variable. But if the speed is not slow and it's not medium, we make it fast, which is our else condition. So if the speed is not slow and it's not medium, then we change it to we increase it to 3, So in short, the code determines how much the alien should move along the x-axis depending on the speed. Yeah, so the last example in our chapter, in our first exercise, so in this code we are trying to demonstrate how to update and delete values in our dictionary using the delete method. So the code above shows how to update our dictionary value and how to remove a key pair from a dictionary. I think we did that example earlier in one of the codes above. Yeah.